Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Benevolent, the Merciful. Hi, this is Sohail Ahmed Siddiqui from Canopus Creative Net, Pakistan. The purpose of grabbing this video is somewhat very specific. I'm exclusively talking to the people in the market, to the people of Quaker UK, Quaker around the world, and Quaker Pakistan in particular. That is your famous brand, White Oats, Quaker White Oats. Everyone knows it. So what has happened recently in Pakistan? I'm telling you, Quaker Pakistan has recently launched the new packaging, the new packets for the sale in local market, and there they have wrongly mentioned the translation of oats in Urdu as Jau. Should I tell you one thing? Jau is not oats in Urdu. Jau is in fact barley. And what is the Urdu for oats, by the way? If you know Urdu, you must know that. You can check it from the dictionaries. Oats is called Jyeeجئی in Urdu and not Jau. Jau is barley, and you talk about the porridge, that thing of oats, so you have to have the word used in Urdu, Jyeeجئی and not Jau. So please correct it at your end and check the people who have spent literally millions of rupees in their ad campaigns, marketing, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So I'm here. If you want to contact me, if you want to hire my services, if you feel that you are lagging behind in terms of translations, in terms of understanding Urdu, and in terms of understanding the local market, you can hire me as well. Okay, this is my offer to you.